Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by softening the adhesive so it releases cleanly. This reduces scraping and surface damage. First, ventilate and protect hands and eyes, then try heat, either a heat gun on 120-150 degrees C or hot water, because heat breaks down bonds. If heat alone won't budge it, apply an appropriate solvent soaked into paper towels and let it dwell for 10-15 minutes to penetrate. Once the adhesive feels tacky, move to careful mechanical removal, using a plastic scraper to avoid. You now alternate mechanical and chemical actions to remove stubborn adhesive. Start with plastic scrapers at a low angle to lift most material. Metal spatulas can finish very stubborn bits, but use light pressure to avoid gouging. Apply solvent in small sections and wait another 5 to 10 minutes so it weakens remaining polymer. Once lifted, scrub with warm soapy water and a microfiber cloth to dissolve residue. Make sure to rinse thoroughly to remove solvent traces that could affect finishes. You finish by neutralizing and protecting the surface. Rinse the area, wipe with soap and water, and dry completely to prevent watermarks. If you see staining, try a baking soda paste for gentle abrasion or a 70% isopropyl wipe for oil-based residues. Test a hidden spot first. If the substrate is scratched or finish removed, sand lightly and recoat or recaulk where necessary. If adhesive won't come off after these steps, stop and consult a professional to avoid irreversible damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.